Hello staff and students, this is Mr. Arrett. I just wanted to record a quick video to introduce you to the Hour of Code for 2016, and because Computer Science Week is upon us. So this is how you participate. First, you're going to go to code.org. Once you're there, you're going to look for the Hour of Code link, which is down in the bottom left-hand corner. And then that's going to bring you to the Hour of Code page, which contains all of our tutorials that are available to help us learn a little bit about coding. You'll notice that each tutorial has a name, it lists the grades, and then the type of coding that's involved. But really what you need to pay attention to is how to get something that's right for you. And that's what these selection tools are for over here. So you can select what grade you are, and then whether you're a beginner or whether you're comfortable. Both the educator and the student can pick these things. Okay. If you don't know anything about coding, we'll just leave them all on beginner. And then really the students just pick one that kind of catches their eye and that that looks interesting to them. So kind of like this Kano one looks kind of interesting. And then you can read a description and a little bit about it if you want, but really we're just looking to do the start button and to get right into it. So that's going to bring you up a page that looks like this, and then we've got a list of challenges here, and I'm just going to start with the first one, the Pong challenge. Okay, for this challenge it's got directions up here at the top and a hit button. But basically you just read the directions and kind of follow what they say. They'll get progressively more difficult. So I would recommend, rather than trying out a whole bunch of different tutorials, I would pick one and stick with it and finish it, and then if you get done, complete another one, because that's how you're going to really learn more about coding is if you stick with it and get to the end through the tough stuff. But I'll just show you real quickly how this works. It gives me my directions, and it's telling me that a little bit of history about Pong, and then it says, what do we need to play table tennis? First we need a ball, and it says to make a ball, type circle 15. Boom, there's our circle. Okay, now we need some paddles. Okay, it tells us a little bit about how to do that, but then again at the end here it gives us a type, and it tells us what to do. We can click the hit button if we need it, and then it kind of shows us a solution. But I would encourage students not to do that unless they really need it. So I'm going to go ahead and type in move to, 30, 100. Okay, you can see it moved my cursor over here, and then we need a rectangle for a paddle. Rectangle, 20, 100. Boom, look, we've got a paddle. So this is how it goes. It gives you directions, you follow along, it gets progressively tougher, and hopefully by the end of it, you've learned a little something about coding. So I hope anybody that participates, I hope you enjoy it. I wouldn't be intimidated by it if I was you. You can get right in and learn a little bit about coding, even if you know nothing about coding to start with, and that's the point. So learn with each other, help each other out, and have a good time while you're doing it. Good luck.